Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find out your top 5 Taylor Swift eras on Spotify. So search up like my top 5. I already have it here. If you want to know, I just searched my top 5 Taylor Swift eras and it's going to come up. Then you're going to select the song first. Sorry, your own eras first, not the song, my bad. So I'm just going to select the eras that I think I've been listening to on Spotify. Red. Folklore and Midnights. Then I'm going to press next and I'm just going to order it based on what I've been listening to, I think. And then I'm going to lock it in. And here you can select share and save it to your device. Okay, it's going to take a long time, so I'm just going to press the next button. Okay, never mind, I can share it. Just press more and save it to your device. I'm just going to press next. And here is actually the top 5 based on my listening history. So there wasn't Speak Now and what else did I pick? I forgot. But I think Fearless. But this is my top 5 Taylor Swift era. There's Midnights, Red, Lover, Evermore, and Folklore. And these are my top 5 Taylor Swift eras. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!